thank you. It's an enormous pleasure to be here once again. I'm Ria Broekgaarden. I'm from the Netherlands and I'm involved in the IPA and in pompe disease much longer ago. I started working for pompe disease in 1989 when I started working for the Dutch Neuromuscular Disease Association and started supporting the pompe group in the Netherlands. And one of the ladies, the chairperson at the moment, then came to me and she said, I want you to do one thing. And I said, what do you want me to do then? And she said, I think as we are missing an enzyme, there should be a solution for us in the near future. It was Wildegeus, you know her. So that's what I did, what we did worldwide and also in the Netherlands. And 2 years ago, in 19, let me think, when it was. In the 1990s, we decided in the Netherlands to start a pompe project. And the reason why we did it was that we noticed that there was a therapy going to the market, or being developed and lately on going to the market. And we realized that we need patients' organizations to be set up and to work together with us. And therefore, we organized this meeting in 1999. And it has been, you have been informed about it already yesterday. Kevin O'Donnell gave you a beautiful overview of the pompe history. And my good friend Fabio Di Pietro, he informed you about the next steps we are working on with the IPA, the International Pompe Association. Benedict, you asked and you mentioned that you want patient organizations to be involved. I can tell you there are more than 40 patient organizations under the umbrella of the IPA. You also told us that you want new generations to be, as a researcher you need the new generation to be involved. We did set up the training program and there are new people in the IPA involved. In the past, patient organizations were very active. If you look at the involvement in FDA and EMA. That's what we did in the past. We are preparing ourselves now to do the same thing with new therapies going to the market. That's why Fabio yesterday explained to you about the Community Advisory Board. What did we do? We tried to find patients all over the world who are willing to bring in their voices, their experience into the meetings with FDA and the EMA in the future, but also in the discussions with industry. So starting on Sunday, we are going to train and to debate and to discuss and to bring experience on the table. We are also inviting industry over there, patient experiences, because we think we need new people worldwide to bring out the voice and to bring the patient experience to EMA, FDA, etc. We've got a lot of challenges in front of us, but we also can learn from other diseases or other neuromuscular diseases. We were the first neuromuscular disease with a treatment on the market. But around now, if we look, for example, at SMA, I'm also an SMA Europe board member and also working with Cure SMA and SMA Foundation in the USA. There are therapies on the market right now. There's a gene therapy on the market. They are discussing redosing. They are discussing combination therapy. So other diseases are maybe a little bit in front of us now. We can learn from them. We can learn a lot from them. We can learn from experience from Duchenne disease. We can learn from experience from, for example, a failure now in Charcot-Marie-Tooth. But as they learn from us, we can learn from their successes. Also newborn screening for SMA, it's a little bit further ahead than it is for pompe disease. So we can also take advantage of that. But most of all, we need each other and we need to focus on pompe disease, because there are a lot of things we can learn from other diseases and other organizations, but pompe disease, it's pompe disease with specific items and specific characteristics. Well, I really hope that what we have achieved in the past will help us, and it's not only results, but also the way we work together, the good communication, the good understanding, our perfect IPA survey that's there and has to be worked out a little bit more, but that the way we work together, the good harmony we worked with a lot of stakeholders over here, that will go on in the near future, because we need each other. We really need each other to set the next step, because in the end we want therapies to be available for all worldwide. New therapies, better therapies, combination therapies, newborn screening, everything. So there's a lot of work ahead of us, and we need all of you to cooperate. Thank you very much.